I'm taking the video so I can see it and then read it to you. Oh, one minute. Come on. Well, I thought you weren't going any other track.
Ooh, that sounds bad. Seguro está aquí, mały.